Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the phone number in RedotPay. So first of all, launch your RedotPay application and then log in into your account. Now over here, tap on your profile icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to go to the option of security. Now when you are inside the security option, you are going to see the option of phone number. So you need to simply tap on it. Now over here on the top, it is going to show you the phone number which is currently linked with your RedotPay account. But since you want to change it, you need to tap on the option of change phone number. On the next page, you need to provide the number that you want to set for your RedotPay account, and then you need to verify that phone number with the help of OTP. Now once the verification is completed, you will notice that the phone number that is linked with RedotPay account is now changed. You can come here on the phone authentication page in order to check whether it is changed or not. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.